Hi friends, welcome back to Chris Trading Academy. So again we are going to discuss on Auropharma stock. Please go through the disclaimer as well, okay? Let me get into this straight away to the chart. This is the Auropharma stock and we are in the 5 minutes as of now, okay? This is yesterday's open and yesterday's close, okay? This is where the price traded yesterday. If you go through my previous yesterday's video also, I told every day we are seeing a bounce, a gap up every day, a small gap up we are seeing since 390. So from here, this is where, let me put a horizontal line here. So this is where, okay, from here the price is just making higher highs, higher lows, again sideways, right? So means the negativity, okay, the complete negative news absorbed by the stock from here to here. So see, I told you clearly, if you go through my last week's complete videos on Auropharma, okay, I never told you to buy, that's for sure, and I never told you to do anything. I just told you to watch, okay, because I just started this channel to share my knowledge, that's it, nothing else. So investors, what they do is normally when they lose lot of money from here, okay, when they lose lot of money, they tend to lose more and more, and when in a situation they need to buy the stock and hold the stock, they normally exit the stock, but they never think of the next cycle, next quarters, okay. Always think that any company, any good company, okay, any good profit making company or growing company will never shut down in a week's time or month's times, okay. There might be some ups and downs in each and every good company. First of all, those who follow the basics, ethics, fundamentals, okay. So the same way Auropharma also beaten because of entire pharma sector was beaten. If you go through all the stocks, there might be one or two stocks which will have less beating, okay, means some compared to the Sun Pharma, Aurobindo, or Dr. Reddy's or Glen Pharma, Glenmark, okay, Cipla, Cadillac, Lupin, like this. There are shares, right? If you compare, someone might have less loss or some might have more loss, but what are the results happening in the future? That's what a long-term investor needs to think about. Okay, first they need to do a lot of homework. And trader is like something like I'll call it as a gambling only, okay. What is the probability ratio you win, okay, what is the winning percentage you do. If you do all the things also, put everything also, you might lose the day. But a trader should concentrate on RR, risk reward ratio, and what is the capital he is having and how much return he is getting per month, okay, not per day. Because the number of trades you take in a day and how much profit or how much loss you are making, if you do the calculation part, then you will become a professional trader, intraday perspective or swing perspective, okay. But if you are not taking the calculations into your mind and putting those into a paper and taking entries, definitely you will know what happens, okay. So I'll keep telling again and again, Auropharma stock will definitely hit the 450 mark, as I am telling you. This is where my final target is, from this bounce 390. And every day I'm trading for a small 3-4 rupees and I'm exiting, okay, because I'll do only intraday and I have a separate portfolio for a long term. Okay, I don't mix up these things. And what a trader should do, I already told. Investors, just above 450 you no need to exit, okay, because it will create a base there and it will go from there to 500. It might take time, but I'm keep telling you, only exit the positions below this. Now this became a good support. If anything happens to this 390 mark, then you need to think about your positions and always do your research. Okay, why what happened to the stock, why the stock has fallen down, and all these things. Okay, and if you see today, see again there is a gap up, am I right? Okay, so now again this is the gap up. This was close here, this was close, and again a gap up. So now if today below 431 if comes in again, then what happens? The stock is showing some negative. Okay, if you see here the close, did it gone below? No, right? Closed here. See every day, open here, closed here, open here, closed here, every day. So until this higher highs, higher lows are not taken by the lower highs and lower lows, then till then you can carry forward your positions, those who bought at 395 or 400, whatever the range, for a short term period investment, something like that. Or intraday perspective, you need to buy dips and sell higher. Okay, else you need to go for small stop loss and go for 1-2 rupees or 3-4 rupees based upon your risk reward ratio. Okay, my intention to create this video is simple. Okay, I just want to tell you that there is no need of real panicking in this stock, because not all the negative, whatever the negative the people put into this stock was absorbed here and bouncing. Okay, so just hold on till this point, and if it holds above, then no need of any panic. But again, if it is coming down, then you need to think about. Traders can do shorts also, that's we can do, right? Okay, thanks. And hopefully I'm hoping that today at least, okay, another 14 rupees upside. By today it will close in by 445, 448 range at least. If everything goes fine, it might complete 450 also. And again there is a warning bell below 432. Okay, if it closes means we need to think about it again. Okay, just okay, I'm giving the information. Thank you.